Hello guys, welcome to IT Cyber Cafe. So today guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to apply online at Pay College. So first thing you're gonna do guys, you're gonna open your internet browser, and then when you get there guys, you're gonna type college.co.za. You type college.co.za. It can be either Chrome or any internet browser, and then after that guys, you make sure that you search. You're gonna click on the link below, you search, and then here we are guys. This is the website for Pay College. This is the website for Pay College. As you can see down there, we having apply now. You see, click apply now. Then now guys, it's gonna load. First you're gonna start by creating a profile, and then you see guys, here we are. So now you're gonna click where it's written create a profile for 2026, unless if maybe you did create a profile before. That's when you're gonna log in with your application ID and then password. But then now you're gonna click on create a profile for 2026. That's where you're gonna click. So I'm gonna take you guys through the whole procedure. So here we are guys, here we are. You can see there is a box there on a new application, and then you're gonna choose whether you're over 18 or you're under 18, and then after that you click next. And then here guys, you're gonna be putting your personal details. So in this part you're gonna be putting your personal details. So here guys, I'm gonna be putting a sticker so that I hide other people's ID and stuff, because remember this is a application for land, right? So but then this is the form that you're gonna be filling guys. This is the form that you're gonna be filling. So now I'm gonna be filling everything, but then don't be surprised when there's gonna be a sticker over this form. But then just know this form is where you're gonna be putting your personal details, and then where there's a register is where you're gonna be putting information. Mind you guys, where there's no register, you can skip or you can fill, but then on this form everywhere there's a register, so it means every part is important to fill. So here guys, now you're gonna click yes. You click yes, and then you see guys, now it's written successful. You click OK. You click OK. So now guys, what's remaining now, I'm gonna go to my email, and then in your email guys, you're gonna find a applicant ID. The only way you can find the applicant ID, they're gonna send it to your email. So you're gonna go to your email, you'll find the applicant ID along with the password. But then the password guys is the one that you have set on the form that I was filling. So now I'm gonna go to my email, and then after that, that's when I'm gonna come back, put my application ID, put my password, and then continue with the application. So make sure that the email that you enter is the email that you have access to, so that same time when they send an applicant ID, you'll be able to log in and then access your applicant ID. So let me guys go check it and then come back, proceed. So I got it guys. Let me now enter my applicant ID, and then I'll enter also my password, and then after I'm gonna log in. So if you created an account before, it means now if you want to reapply, you're gonna just put your applicant ID, you put your password, you log in. But then you cannot log in if maybe you didn't create a profile before. You start by creating a profile so that you get an applicant ID. Those are the most important part of the application. And then after entering, that's when you're gonna go and then click log in. You click log in. So here we are guys. So where you see the sticker guys, and then confused because now I'm hiding a details for someone else because I can't expose them. But then your application is gonna be like this, and then now you're gonna click on, as you can see guys on your screen, you're having the right side and then the left side, and then there is where written qualification details. You see where it's written qualification details is where now you're gonna be clicking so that you continue with the application. You don't click anywhere else, guys, but then you click on qualification details, and then you see now you're gonna click on add. You see the add, you click add, and then after clicking that add, it's gonna give you see. And then here now, guys, you select it's either distance or contact, but then now I'm choosing distance. It doesn't mean you have to choose distance if you don't want the distance. There is a contact and then there's a distance. Then after that, you're gonna click on the qualification. Once you click on the qualification, guys, then options gonna appear, and then you choose the course that you want, and then after then you click select intake. After then you save. So yeah, now we save successfully. So now, guys, we can proceed with the rest of the application. We click OK. Then you see here's the application, guys. And then you're gonna click. You see on your left side, those are still in red. You see there's a personal details in red, there is a parent in red and stuff. So there you're gonna put your details. You make sure that each and every one is changing from red to green. As you can see, the first one of qualification details now is in green. You see, so you make sure you fill everywhere until it's in green. So this is how, guys, we do. So I'm gonna be filling here, but then I'm gonna be putting a sticker. This sticker, guys, is because I'm hiding a person's details, because now we are talking about IDs, we are talking about emails, phone numbers, and LTIC. So yeah, but then this is how you're gonna be doing your application. And then on the upload image, guys, you just click on that box of upload image, and then it's gonna take you to your file. Then after then you select the image that you want. Remember, the image you are choosing, your own image, is the one that is gonna be there on top of your profile. So you choose your own image. And then after then, when you are done, guys, filling the whole form, that's when you're gonna go and then click save and next. You're gonna see save and next down there. You're gonna click save and the next. And then on this part, guys, you see now is step number 3. Step number 3 is where you're gonna be putting your parent and guardian information. So also here, guys, I'm gonna be putting a sticker. And then once you're also done, you're gonna click on save. Once you're done filling everything, as I said, guys, where there's a register is compulsory, so make sure that where there's a register you fill. Then after that you click save. Then here you see, guys, it's saved. Now we are on number 3. Number 3 is where you're gonna be putting your contact details, and then you also add your address. And then after adding your address, you're gonna click there. You see down there is written add address. That's where you're gonna click, where it's written in blue. So I'm gonna cut this part, but then here you're gonna be filling your address. And then you see now you add your permanent address. So you add your physical address and then you add your permanent address, but then hopefully it's gonna be the same address. So yeah, let me just cut this part. So the third address, guys, is gonna be financial address. It's also the same as your physical address and your permanent address, because obviously you are the one responsible for the finance, even if you're gonna be using NSFAS. But then you put your address. And then when you are done, guys, with 3 address, now you click save. And then now you are on the 4th part, where you're gonna be adding your educational background. Here you're gonna add your educational background, guys. So school name is your high school name, and then so on and so on. Remember, where there's a register is compulsory, but then where there's no register is not compulsory. And then once you are done adding your educational background, you're gonna click save, so that you go to the next step. So yeah, on the subject, guys, here you're gonna enter your whole school subject, starting from subject 1 until subject 7. You make sure that you put all of them. And then after then you click, you see there's a plus there, you click that plus if you want to add the second subject. Then it's gonna give you option. You see now it's giving you option, and then you add the second subject. After you add the percentage, they just want the name of the subject and then the percentage. After then you click the plus, so that they can give you another slot to add the following subject. Because if you don't click that plus, you're gonna be like they have given you 1 slot or 2 slot, which you're the one who's have access to add the second or the third or the fourth or the fifth subject by just clicking that plus at the end. You see the plus, you click it, because remember, some maybe on metric they have like or let's say for example maybe you have failed one subject. It means now you are having 6 subjects, so you're gonna put those 6 subjects. Then those who have 7 subjects, they put 7 subjects. Those who have 8 subjects, they put 8 subjects. But then make sure that you put the subject of the result that you're gonna be uploading. And then don't cheat, don't try to cheat the system, guys. Make sure that whatever you are entering here are the subject that you're gonna be entering, you're gonna be uploading, so that they correspond. Because if they don't correspond, then you're gonna be in a problem. Then after then you write the date of the exam. You start by the month, the date, and the year. If you can check, guys, on your, it can either be your school report or your metric result. Down there is written, or if it's a report, on top is written the month, the date, the year. And then if maybe it's a statement or a metric certificate, down there is written a month and then the date and the year. I'm gonna put those ones. Make sure that you put correct information, and then after then that's when you're gonna go there, click save. You don't start by just clicking save. Now you click save. You see they want an year of exam, and then you put the year of exam, you click save. That's what I said, guys. Where there's a register is compulsory, you cannot pass. You see now it's saved. And then now, guys, I'm going to click save and next. Now, guys, I'm going to upload documents. You see where it's written upload documents, you go there, then you're gonna be uploading documents. So you see now they want a national ID, resident proof, they want statement of results, metric, or grade 11 or grade 10 or grade 9. So yeah, when it comes to results, guys, you can either upload grade 9, 10, 11 or 12. It just depends which results you are applying using. Then you choose the file. Obviously on my screen, guys, they cannot show me choosing the file from my laptop, but then now I'm choosing the file. And then after I'm done choosing the file is gonna write there. You see where it's right hand select file, the name of the file is gonna write there, and then you know that the file is chosen. And then after then, that's when you're gonna go and then click on save. But then this part, guys, is compulsory, so make sure that before you apply, you are having your documents with you saved on your phone or on your PC, so that you know where once you apply you don't get stuck. Because if maybe you don't have one of the documents, your application will be incomplete. And then also proof of resident, guys, is compulsory. That one is very, very much needed. So yeah, make sure that you are having it. And then remember, they also want copies which are certified. You don't upload original, guys. Don't shoot your original ID and then upload it here, because it's incorrect. You upload a copy which is certified, and then after you click save. You see now I'm saving the file that I have uploaded. You see now the file is uploaded. And then now, guys, I'm gonna click on proof of resident, and then I'm gonna upload it also. So yeah, this is how, guys, you do the application at False Bay College. I hope you just watch this video carefully so that you understand how to get things done. You see? And then as you can see, guys, on my left side, you see now on personal details there's a green star, and then on parent and guidance there's a green star. Now you click submit. After you're done with the documents, now you click the submit. You click agree after you click submit. I was saying, guys, you see on my left side now the only thing that is remaining is that it's the last one of declarations and submission. So now I have clicked the declaration and submission. You see details submitted successfully. As you can see, guys, now on my left side everything is in green star, and then before there was on red star. So that's when, guys, now you can say your application is going all right. But then if on your left side some of the part is still in a red star, it means your application is incomplete. So make sure that you do things in a proper manner. You don't skip, you don't cheat the system, especially when it comes to results, guys. Make sure you don't try to cheat the system. You see, guys, the application now is done, as you can see now on my. And then now, guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add other qualification, other courses, because remember I just added one course. So now I'm given chance to add another courses because I'm done with filling everything that was needed. So you are allowed to choose maximum of 3 choices. So I'm gonna add my second choice. After then I'm gonna add my third choice. So you see, my first choice was distance. Now I'm gonna choose contact, guys. The first was distance, the second was distance. Now I'm choosing contact, which is in Khayelitsha. So the course is offered in Khayelitsha campus. So yeah, this is how, guys, you apply. This is how, guys, you apply. Is the procedure. You see, now they want me to upload other documents. Now you see, guys, they are taking me back the documents. You see on the document now is red because there's other documents which are compulsory for me to upload based on my second and my third courses. But then if you just submitted one choice, it won't go back to red star. But then if you add the second choice and the third choice, now you see on a document is red star. So now I'm gonna be uploading my ID. Remember, this ID, guys, is for the second choice. I'm gonna upload the ID. So don't be surprised when now on the document now is going back to red star. It means you have to click there. You just click there on top of upload documents, and then it's gonna give you options, and then you upload those needed documents. They're gonna show you which documents are needed, and then you upload them. So yeah, you see, now it's still red, right? Because I'm still remaining to upload others. You see where is written pending, guys? It's where you need to upload document. Where is written pending, you need to upload document. I hope you guys find this video useful, and then you follow each and every instructions in this video. Mind you, you'll never get lost as long as you watch the video to understand, and then after you run your own application, you'll never get lost. So you see now the pending is on. You see, and then study permit, guys. You see study permit is pending. If you don't have study permit, don't worry about uploading it. You don't have it, right? It means you are not a foreigner, so you are fine. You see now on upload documents there is a green star. It's back to green star. It means I have uploaded everything. Because I know some, they'll ask me why on study permit is still like pending. Yes, it's pending because you have the ID, you have the proof of residence, you have the matric or grade 11 results. So you don't have to worry about study permit, because most of us South Africans, we don't have study permit, right? But then if you are a foreigner, you have to upload a study permit to show that you are allowed to study in South Africa. So this is how, guys, you see, it's the only one that is pending. So yeah, this is how you apply, guys. I hope you guys find this video useful. You like, you share, you comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Let's hit the subscribe button. Tango is thank you. IT Cyber Cafe at work. IT Cyber Cafe at work. Leave a comment